Hi there. Listen carefully. Maria went to Maria's car because Maria forgot Maria's key. Weird. It sounds awkward, doesn't it? Now listen to this. Maria went to her car because she forgot her key. Much better, isn't it? Pronouns replace a noun to avoid repetition, and pronouns make the language flow smoothly. Okay? They must agree in number, in gender, and they match clearly to the noun they replace. So let's look at the first type of pronouns in English. Personal pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Some examples are, I teach every day. She studies at night. They finished early. We are improving. It looks expensive. Okay? Now let's do an exercise, a quick exercise, so you can apply your knowledge. Fill in the blanks with a subject pronoun. Okay? Pause the video, complete the exercise, and I'll show you the answers. Okay, number 1 is she, 2 is they, 3 is we, 4 is it. Remember, it is never used for humans. And number 5 is they. Good job. All right, let's do another exercise. Choose the correct subject pronoun. I have given you 2. For example, number 1, you have I and me. Which one do you think is the correct subject pronoun? Complete the exercise. Okay, 1 is I, 2 is we, 3 is she, and 4 is they. Moving on. Let's study object pronouns in English. Me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. She called me. Right? These pronouns are used after verbs or prepositions. Remember that rule. She called me. I invited them. The teacher helped us. Give him the answer. Oh, the gift is for her, right? Or the gift is for him. The gift is for them. These are all object pronouns. Let's practice using object pronouns. Fill in the blanks, okay? Pause the video, and I'd like you to take notes also as I'm speaking to you. It's always a good idea to take notes. Okay? All right? How did you do? Number 1 is her, 2 is him, 3 is us, and 4 is them. Very good. How about one more exercise? These are very short exercises. Subject or object. You just have to pick one. I have 4 questions for you, and I need you to answer each one of them. Okay? 1 is me. She invited me. Is that a subject pronoun or an object pronoun? I need you to answer that. Number 2, they. 3, us. 4, he. Very good. All right. So possessive pronouns, what are they? Mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, and theirs. They stand alone. There's no noun that comes after them. Okay? Because you can't say this is mine book. You can say this is my book, right? But in this case, it's mine. That's it. And it ends the sentence. This book is mine. That seat is hers. This idea is ours. The victory was theirs. The decision is yours. Okay? Complete the exercise. One is mine, 2 is theirs, 3 is ours, and 4 is hers. I need you to correct these errors. This is not a fill-in-the-blank exercise. All of these sentences are wrong. They are ungrammatical. And I need you to write correct sentences. This pen is her. How would you correct this sentence? Pause the video. Okay? and complete the exercise. This pen is hers. That success is ours. This house is theirs. Remember, there's an S at the end of the pronoun. Reflexive pronouns. What are they? They are myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. Right? She taught herself Spanish. I blamed myself for the mistake I made. They prepared themselves. We introduced ourselves. He cut himself. Ouch! He cut himself. Or I cut myself today. Okay? Let's do an exercise now, right? If you've been taking my lesson, you know that we learn something and then we apply our knowledge. So fill in the correct reflexive pronoun, okay? There are 5 questions. It should be easy for you. Okay, are you ready to see the answers? All right, he hurt himself. We congratulated ourselves. She prepared herself for the interview. I reminded myself to stay calm. The children enjoyed themselves at the party. Okay, what do you think? Is it necessary? She washed herself or she washed? Both are correct, but when do we need the reflexive? Can you answer? When we want emphasis or clarity. Okay, demonstrative pronouns. This, that, these, those. Near versus far. Singular versus plural. This is easy. These are my notes. These. That is expensive. That is far. So you can't say that for something that is near you, like very close to you. Then it becomes this. So this is near and that is far. Those are exciting, far and plural. Also notice this is only one, right? This test is easy. It's just one noun and these are many. That is one and those are many. Okay, let's try to do this exercise now. Let's test your knowledge. Okay? Use pronouns to fill in the blanks. 4 questions. Real quick. You will do it in a heartbeat, right? Now you've gotten so good at it. Let's do the 4. These are my keys. That is my old house. Those are beautiful mountains. And this is delicious. Right? Okay, what are relative pronouns? Who, whom, whose, which, that. They connect clauses. The teacher who helped me is patient. Who helped me? That's the relative clause, right? The book that I bought is useful. That is the relative pronoun. The student whose essay 1 is brilliant took my course, for example. Whose is the relative clause. The company which hired me is expanding. So see, who, I, whose, which, that, right? These are the relative pronouns. Complete this exercise. Choose correctly. There are 4 sentences. Each one of them has a blank space. I need you to fill in the blanks. Ready? All right, number 1 is who, the car. You have a choice. You could say either that or which. They're both correct. You could say the car that I bought is fast or the car which I bought is fast. The man whose daughter won is proud. The friend whom I invited couldn't come. But just so you know, if you were writing a paper, then you would say the friend whom I invited. But usually, informally or casually, people don't make a distinction between the two when they speak, right? So native English speakers would say the friend who I invited couldn't come. It's acceptable, but in academic writing, when you're writing, write whom, not who. All right? Very good. Indefinite pronouns, what are they? Everyone, someone, anyone, nobody, something, anything, everything, anybody, right? Somebody. Most are singular. Everyone is ready. Nobody knows the answer. I asked my students and nobody knew the answer. They did not know the answer. How about a quick exercise? It's a verb agreement. So 3 questions, 3 blank spaces. I've given you 2 choices. Pick one and fill in the blanks. Number 1 is. Number 2 is knows. Nobody knows the answer. Nobody is a singular pronoun. And somebody is calling you, not someone are calling you. Very good. All right, great. Let's do one more exercise. Is there blank? Anyone? Everyone? Which one would you use? Complete the exercise and I will show you the answers. Anyone, nobody, something. I have something to tell you. Or I want to tell you something. Right? They're both correct. Very good. Let's do a final mastery practice. Choose the correct pronoun. Answer all 8 questions. And then we will go over the answers together. How did you do? I'm sure you did really well, right? Your students did it by themselves. That victory is ours. The teacher who inspired me is retiring. Give the tickets to me. Those are my glasses because they're not near, they're far, right? Because if they were near, then you would say, these are my glasses. But they're not. They are my glasses. Those are my glasses. I taught myself English. Everyone wants to succeed in life, right? All right, let me leave you with a comment challenge. I always do toward the end because I want you to continue to learn. Write one sentence using a reflexive pronoun, another sentence with a relative pronoun, another sentence with an indefinite pronoun, and lastly, one sentence with a possessive pronoun. Can you do all 4 in one sentence? You could write separate sentences if you wish. That would be fine. But I think it would be challenging to write all 4 types of pronouns in one sentence, such as, I taught myself a lesson that everyone should learn because the success is mine. It is your turn. Okay? So I hope you enjoyed the lesson. It's been great working with you. Those of you who are responding to my lesson, thank you. Work hard, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.